Hey everybody, what is up? It is Miss O'Neill here, and today is a good day to have a good day. We are not going to go ahead and do a Foundations lesson today, but instead we're doing a Foundations drill. So I have all of the sounds that we've learned in second grade in front of me. We are going to go over them really quickly. Yeah, this is something great to do before a Foundations lesson. If you are watching this before the end of our 2020 school year, or this is going to be something cool to do to get you ready for third grade. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited and proud of you. All right, let's go ahead and just get started. Let's do our vowels first. You are going to be my echo here. A, apple, a. A, safe, a. A, acorn, a. E, ed, e. E, p, e. E, me, e. I, itch, I. I, pine, I. I, high, I. O, octopus, ah. O, home, o. O, no, o. U, up, U, rule, ooh. Ooh, nope. You, rule, you. You, mule, you. Oh, wait, nope, I got it. Sorry about that. You, rule, ooh. You, mule, you. Thank you. You, pupil, you. You, flew, ooh. Nice. Y, cry, I. Y, baby, e. Awesome, that's it for vowels. Let's do consonants. So we are almost done with level 2 of Foundations for second grade. We're getting ready for level 3. We are going to skip keywords for consonants, okay? Because we've been doing them since kindergarten. Beeb, seek, deed, f, cheek, h, jage, cake, lamp, ul, m, n, peep. Make sure when you're saying these consonants, you're not adding an sound at the end, like peep, peep. Awesome. Oops. Q-U, queen, qua. I just like doing the keyword for that one because this one can be kind of confusing sometimes. One more time. Q-U, queen, qua. Awesome. R, snake, s. Bugs, z. Good. Top, sorry. Teat. Vive. Again, make sure that you're not saying v. Vive. W. X. X. Y. 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 Z. Z. Awesome, great job. Vowels and consonants are done. Now it's time for digraphs. Remember, digraphs are consonants, 2 letters that come together to make one sound. CH, chin, ch. CK, sock, k. SH, ship, sh. TH, thumb, f. WH, whistle. Good. Now for the glued sounds. AM, ham, am. AN, fan, an. ALL, ball, all. ANK, bank, ank. ANG, fang, ang. INK, pink, ink. ING, ring, ink. ONK, honk, onk. ONG, song, ong. UNK, junk, unk. UNG, lung, ung. Nice. Let's go ahead with the exceptions. So these are our glued sound exceptions, and they are, there is one V-E exception. ILD, wild, isled. IND, find, ind. OLD, cold, old. OLT, colt, olt. OST, post, ost. IVE, give, iv. Awesome. Let's go ahead with our controlled vowels. A, R, car, R. O, R, horn, or. E, R, her, I, R, bird, U, R, burn, Awesome. And last but not least, our double vowel teams. A, I, bait, A. A, Y, play, A. E, A, eat, E. E, jeep, E. E, Y, key, E. O, I, coin, oi. Really quick, what coin is that? Nice, quarter. O-Y, boy, oi. O-A, boat, o. O-E, toe, o. O-W, snow, o. O-W, plow, ow. O-U, trout, ow. O-U, soup, oo. O-O, school, oo. O-O, book, E-W, chew, ew. U-E, blue, oo. U-E, rescue, you. A-U, August, ah. A-W, saw, ah. Awesome, and that is it for everything. We did vowels, vowel teams, consonants, R-controlled vowels, we did digraphs, glued sounds, exceptions, we did everything. You did an awesome, amazing job. I love you a lot. I miss you a bunch. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.